What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would remove a door. Say, for example, you was to be moving something and you can't get it through the doorway because the door is too wide. Some people think that you have to actually remove, say, all these screws right here to take this door off. But on a lot of doors, what you could do is simple. You just see this piece right here. You could just push up on that, take a flathead screwdriver or something, go ahead and push up. You may need a hammer or something to kind of press that out. See how that came out? Keep pressing it. See the whole thing popped up? Then you want to come down to the bottom and do the exact same thing. If you see what I'm pressing up on, just like sometimes you may have to tilt the door up like that. See how it came out? Now go ahead and move the door. And pretty much, just like that, you'll pretty much have your door off just by taking those pins out. Hand me one of those pins. All I had to do pretty much is take those pins out. Like this is example of the pin I took out, and what's going on is it's going like right through here like that, and then it's coming down through this part right here. You see how it's going down like that, and that's how it's in there. So to pretty much remove this door from there, it's quick. Some of them may not have it like this, but a lot of your doors will. And if you see this, it makes it 10 times easier to take your door off just by taking a screwdriver, flathead. You made a little hammer, sometimes it kind of stuck, and just hit this thing up like that. And once you do that, your door will come free just like that. All right, folks. Once again, this is a quick video showing how you can remove a door from off of the hinge quickly, just in case for some reason you're trying to get something to the apartment or house and it's too wide or something to take that door off. All right, folks, please check out our other helpful video and please subscribe. Thanks.